Welcome to Leicestershire. My name's Phil Jarvis. I work for the Allerton Project and I'm a farmer. I'm going to talk to you about this field of wheat and how it goes into Kellogg's breakfast cereals. Not just this whole field, but more specifically this 1 square metre. It's been in the ground from the time it's planted to the time it's harvested for over 300 days. It's received 1,250 hours of sunshine. And not only that, it's had 109 buckets of water. That's its yearly rainfall, 109 times. This square metre is in a rotation. That means in some years we have oats in this field, we have oilseeds in this field, we have cover crops, we have legumes like beans in this field. But this year, this field's turn is to have wheat. This crop was planted last autumn, and we planted between 250 and 400 little wheat seeds in just this metre. Now here we are in May, and the crop is just coming into ear. You can see the ear emerging just through the leaves of the crop, and in that ear will be the grain that goes into the breakfast cereal for Kellogg's. And we'll have produced 20,000 grains. So not only do we grow food in the field, but we've also got a lot of things we do here for the wildlife and the environment. So we grow wild flowers, which have up to 100 different pollinators and insects, and that's just in a small metre section. We've also got beetle banks on the horizon there, which is a raised mound of soil that goes up through the middle of a field. Also has up to 1,500 insects and ground roving beetles just in a metre square of a beetle bank. And finally, on our hedgerows and our trees, in a metre of hedgerow we can have up to 10 different species of animals, from farmland birds, voles, mice, loads of insects, rabbits, and not only that, but if you dig down in this soil here, there's loads of creepy crawlies. In just a little bit of soil like this, there will be billions of bugs, and these bugs helping us with all the carbon and nitrogen which makes these crops grow. And there could be as many as 4 billion. And sometimes in a metre squared you can have up to 150 kilograms of organic matter in your soil. Not only is there organic matter in there, but how do the plants bring up all the nutrients into the crop and grow? Well, in their root system underneath them, in this metre squared, 27,000 metres of roots. Now that's lots of tentacles going out there looking for goodness to grow into this wheat crop. This square metre of crop produces nearly 1 kilo of wheat. That's enough for 2 or 3 packets of Mini Max, Fruit and Fibre, Bran Flakes, Special K. That's nearly 28 servings of breakfast cereal. Not bad. So we've had a look at this square metre of crop. Let's go and look at some hedgerows, some trees, some beetle banks, some wildlife margins, and some flowers and plants. I'm just going to take my tape measure just in case I need to go and measure several hundred more of these square metres.